Keep your cuts precise with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20V Max 7 1/4 inch sliding miter saw kit. This saw's sliding rails allow for 8-inch max cross cuts, as well as nested crown molding cuts and vertical baseboard cuts. The miter allows for single bevel cuts and an LED cut line for added precision. The powerful V20 20V Max lithium-ion battery with an LED state of charge indicator allows for over 500 cuts on one charge, and the side handles make the lightweight saw easy to carry. Get the job done right with the V20 20V Max 7 1/4 inch sliding miter saw kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system. CRAFTSMAN, we build.
Get faster cutting with less vibration. The 18-volt LXT Recipro Saw. Makita created an innovative vertical crank design, engineered for less blade deflection, less vibration, and more efficient cutting. It has a Makita-built variable speed motor that delivers up to 2,800 strokes per minute with an efficient 1 1/4 inch stroke length for efficient cutting. With a rubberized soft grip handle and a compact size, this Recipro Saw provides increased comfort and less operator fatigue on the job site. The XRJ04M features extreme protection technology, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. The kit includes 2 fast-charging 4-amp-hour batteries, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. It's equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
My tools are an extension of myself. And when I look to the Dremel 4300, I like the way it feels in my hand. I can easily control it.
It's a very versatile tool, allows me to go into the finest little edges.
I'm able to use the Dremel as a drawing tool. It's very easy to use. I'm John Hook.
I'm Martha Carre.
I'm Joe Beam, and I'm a maker.
When it comes to finish work, the CRAFTSMAN V20 20V Max 18-gauge nailer kit was built to perform. This 100% cordless nailer eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, and fuel cartridges. This nailer has extensive runtime, firing over 400 nails on a single charge. The easy-to-use depth adjust dial provides consistent results. Easily remove jam nails with the tool-free design, and if you need to work in low light conditions, dual LEDs have you covered. Plus, a contoured overmolded handle and included belt hook provide comfort and convenience. Give every job 100% with quality tools like the V20 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system. CRAFTSMAN, we build.
Cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal without the cord. Introducing the versatile new 18-volt lithium-ion cordless multi-tool. It's available as a kit or as a bare tool. The versatile new multi-tool delivers power, convenience, precision, and comfort for a variety of applications in a more compact size. The Makita-built motor delivers 6,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute with a 3.2-degree oscillation angle engineered for faster cutting. You'll get corded speed and power without the cord. The Makita Multi-Tool has a small diameter barrel grip and weighs only 4.5 pounds. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. Finally, an 18-volt solution for corded power demands. Introducing the 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless 3 1/4-inch planer model LXP K01 delivers performance, accuracy, versatility, and convenience. The spring-loaded stand elevates the base to protect the blades and the workpiece. The 2-inch blade cutter head, along with its 14,000 RPM motor, is engineered for fast stock removal, and it weighs only 7.4 pounds. Its machined aluminum base increases planing accuracy. It has an electric brake for maximum productivity. Get precise depth adjustments, get quick and convenient blade installation, and it's ergonomically balanced with rubberized grips for added comfort. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.